On a good note, on your game, the dry spell, 50 billion shillings secured for Karamoja food relief. La wo wabedo kanyo wabeda lokom kech mabene I udikumatin awetuni Acholi parliamentary group wateke one come ke vice chair mabene again weng jo madong yamo korwigi gubedi parliament gingeyo mateka time they are working hard menene Jimmy mateka time kumalme Uganda bene kekele ala ento Karamoja don't know 50 billion no
la penti ni pingo gwe northern Uganda piani kartad menu vision la wogi rangi okatio ni kejo tio por Karamoja ki northern Uganda so kataki 50 billion pidana mi Karamoja ye ken roma chalo dano me northern Uganda mo kana ya Acholi la kachel ki West Nile pegi tamo pegi piani nyo billion piera bor mo ne kero me chulo diai nonge wajani won ko keme ki billion piera bor ni wa mi billion piera big ki Karamoja pian ke tika ne ko kadebe gamene tika poko diai kende billion piera boro magen go wayne no ngiti ki billion maron piera bechele mi odien ento kejo ti poro o dojo so very soon you'll see ni kende million abija bit magitika mi do pechi achele gi ka tiu kede me welo ka bi ka chel ki ma e biale agikane po anano diemo mangat mo ka welo pian kej upor tabicha million abija bijiga danye odi.
No, but the good thing mira watching the lobby capacity of our members is becoming hard because keneno la chincha ngomotime igulu ilokum accident accident upon it up the chairperson Acholi parliamentary group Honorable Catherine Lamara key group mamege all the members came one single voice good chungu wa mero kit mabuno konya kwede dana mo kanani ene kita wana meto wono kat kwede o me kon ira Acholi museve no jier ke chele kan million abija poro ching dano that was a good strategy la wo ago chimit Honorable Macmod manero pages angwen in the new vision te lo kum kech matika ne ko dane ko malme Uganda
area magago
and it was in a conference somewhere watching okay eninga then later on I explained cho kwanya chim he called me back I want Honorable lok me kech en matika ne ko dane ya Acholi ne pe miete male ye kumbete duan wa miro ben matek na milke lok ikum gen matie Karamoja kubedo ke logo matek good no 50 billion wa mero for your faith na could ge anena kiti newspaper kan megwani is not a question of when it's how are we going to do it dotela ngiti kantin we'll have a discussion
yes dire chunya bibedo yom ka danye studio atinyo kartaj menu vision no ni gi choyo ni pia Acholi gi mi billion piera bichel pe billion piera bich meriam okech achel ki West
na wo wachi bedo zombo ke jori mi dugo
ati Kampala pe wachi kano ito tap chino follow ba pian jomo kana petika bela elo we are poi magali wario ka bongwan ke mo porro inebi
yes
ma aki kiradongo and ma ko ba chelo be chen libe chel and we used to walk about 30 kilometers me shara ka welo ma ma libe chel kar gi dugi ke nyoka so cage is real and we should not take it for granted and government bena we should not politicize this it is a matter of urgency ya tirane pidana matie tunku malama Uganda pe Karamoja geken because this is not the first time my noni gamente tika kerchano duk meriam okeji Karamoja let it be across West Nile North Acholi Lao Teso especially the area matie tung north
mero